Hello there, it's James from the Clever Car Collection. Fancy seeing you there because I'm here to show you this brilliant Fiat 500. I know that's exactly what you want to know all about, and in this video I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about it. It's on a 63 plate, it's been well looked after, it's got very low miles, and we've just treated this to a major service. It will be coming with a new 12-month MOT and a warranty, and in this video I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. Right, this is our little Fiat 500, the 1.2 litre petrol engine, a very low insurance group, and does it not look beautiful in this stunning black paint? We've given it a hand polish today, and you can see, can't you? Look how beautiful that is. In fact, I might actually keep it myself. Anyway, it is a 3-owner car this. It's got 2 keys, remote central lock-in, insurance group 05P. It's Ulez compliant, and it's got a heady 69 brake horsepower. It's got a nice specification this with some nice handy things like air conditioning, Bluetooth, USB, etc. But let's have a little look around it before we get to that. It's done 39,400 miles, this car. So very low miles for its age, and you can tell, can't you? It's recently had a new battery fitted, and it will have an independent inspection from a workshop ahead of it going out to yourselves. Now, a couple of minor little marks along the bonnet here, nothing major, but I'd like to point out everything that we see. It's got these beautiful 15-inch, 18-spoke alloy wheels, which I love. No marks on that one. Coming down the driver's side, nothing really sticks out in particular. This alloy wheel looking good. Round the back, decent sized boot for the size of the car. 4 seats, as you can see, and I love the interior on these. Very funky, but we'll get to that in a moment. Down the passenger side, this wheel all looking good. No marks really shouting out to me there, and this front wheel also good condition. No chips in the windscreen, and it has got this fixed glass roof. Look at that, very nice indeed. There is a sunblind, so don't worry, you won't get too hot. Right, let's jump inside. Right, jumping inside this funky little interior. These Fiat 500s got such great interiors, I love them. They just blend the current with the classic so well. Now, you've got electric mirrors just here, steering wheel mounted controls for Bluetooth and also for audio. You've got a 5-speed manual gearbox, electric windows at the front, air conditioning. Down there you've got a USB, a 12 volt power socket. You've got USB, which just hides just behind there, and an aux in. Locking wheel nuts there. And you've got MP3 compatibility on the stereo. It does CD, FM and AM. Well, let's just start it up. Show you there's no warning lights on the dash. Just turn the music down. The only thing we've got there is the handbrake, me not wearing a seatbelt, and the fact that it's not got much fuel in it. Don't worry, we will top it up before we take it away. There are speakers up front on both the sides, and a very nice clean interior. Right, let's have a look at the history. Right, history-wise, this car has had services in 2013 and 2019, and we've just given it that major service ourselves. So it's been very well looked over by our independent workshop. They've given it that safety inspection and that major service too. We'll have a new 12-month MOT before it heads your way too as well. So don't worry about that. If you'd like this car to be delivered, we offer nationwide home delivery. Please get in touch with us for a quote on how much that will cost. And we are also incredibly proud of the 5-star service we give all of our customers. So if you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and on Google. We're very proud of the 5-star service we give every one of our customers. Very much look forward to giving you the same treatment when you come here to give this lovely little city car a test drive. If you want to do that, I'm James. It's James at clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address. And there are loads of pictures of this car on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Goodbye.